Good morning everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. What a wonderful morning here in Bavaria. Sunny, warm. Well, not right now, but it will be warm. It was warm for the last few days. Totally summer. Nice. Amazing. Let's talk about the Opel, or in Britain the Vauxhall e-Corsa. It's a small car, but now they totally electrified it, and they even bring it out before the gasoline or diesel car, so that's exciting. I had a few Corsas when I was younger, and it's exactly my size. Oh, let's talk about specs. So it's a 100 kilowatt motor, has 260 Newton meter. For example, the Hyundai Kona has 150 kilowatt and 295 Newton meters of torque. It's front wheel drive, 8.1 second to 100 kilometers an hour. It's totally okay. Top speed is 150. The battery is a 50 kilowatt hour battery. The range WLTP is 330 kilometers. It can DC charge with around 80 kilowatt. Well, they're not saying is, they say from 0 to 80% should take 30 minutes on a 100 kilowatt charger. So calculated, that's 80 kilowatt average from 0 to 80%. The car is being built in Spain and weighs 1450 kilograms. That's a good weight. It's a bit smaller than the previous Corsa versions. You can reserve it now for 500 euros, or in Britain it's 500 pounds. And delivery should start in spring 2020, so earlier than the Volkswagen ID.3. And so they have three versions. They have the main version, selection version, for 29,990 euros. So pretty much the same as the Volkswagen ID.3 with the small battery. This has, I have to read off the sheet, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Opel Connect. So that means you can see your charging status and preheat or pre-cool the car. It has a 1.8 kilowatt home charger included, so where you charge at home on your normal socket, and AC 7.4 kilowatt with Type 2. It has cruise control, can recognize traffic signs, has a 3.5 inch driver display, so not the one in the middle, for driving, and 16 inch tires. So no adaptive cruise control in this car, and I think even no seat heaters in the small car. There was a nice German site is very good because of the price list and everything for all the options. Second version is the one that the second and the third version are the ones that you can reserve right now. So the selection, the cheapest one you cannot reserve right now. The second one is called Edition. It costs 30,650, so only 750 euros more. That's okay. Then you get an 11 kilowatt charger AC, and you get navigation in there. The other one doesn't have any navigation. And then there's the first edition, which costs 32,900. It has a 7-inch driver display, so a bigger one for your driving. It what do we have? LED day driving lights, normal lights, fog lights, and 7-inch tires. 7-inch, that would be small. 17-inch tires. So that's great, just for 2,000 euros more. And I think seat heaters and everything is included then. And let's go to the options, because it's really weird. So if you want adaptive cruise control, it's not included in any of those. It costs 550 euros. Park assist with a 180 degree camera, reverse camera and everything, 650 euros. If you want that's a nice option, a 22 kilowatt AC charging charger in there, costs 720 euros. If you want matrix LED headlights, costs 700 euros. Normally you have a 7-inch screen in the middle. If you want the 10-inch screen navigation, it's 700 euros. No, yes, it's true. If you want a wireless phone charger, it's 135. Seat heaters cost 420. So I'm not sure if it's included in the first edition. And I read on a few news sites they can optional have a heat pump in there, but I couldn't find it in the price list and I couldn't find it in the specs. So I don't know. I think it looks awesome. The color, that orange thing, looks great. I find it great that this is the first car Opel released a fully electric car, and they did a nice job. For me, the price is of course is great, but the range with the battery size is a tiny bit too small. With the power 100 kilowatt, it's not amazing, but that's okay. I can live with that. Charging speed I can live with. But the 330 WLTP range means if you drive it normally you get around 300, but in the winter and if you drive a bit faster it's down to 200, 230, and that's not enough for me. So WLTP 400 is my, maybe 390, 380 is my limit because of what I need, where I want to drive, just to get there and charge there, not have to charge in between. So that's sad. I would have wanted, otherwise the car would be amazing to me. It doesn't have millions of features that I don't need and I have to pay, and price is really okay. And yes, and all those numbers are without the incentives in Germany. You get 4,000 euros, so 2,000 from the manufacturer and 2,000 from the government. And they even announced that maybe next year they want to increase this to 6,000 euros if the car is under 30,000 euros. So the thing without tax, I don't know. We'll see if it even comes, but then it will be amazing. Again, just 10 kilowatt hours more or 8, and it would have been fine. It's a bit of a shame. I like Opel, I like the cars, I like the Corsa, I like how the look of it, inside and outside. It would have totally been my thing. Not cheap looking, but not overwhelming. Yeah, I'm a bit sad about the range, otherwise I would have put down a deposit right away. Hey, well, let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.